Hello everyone, in this video we will be showing you how you can do the watermark pretty quick if you have a lot of pictures like I have right now. I had to do the watermark for all these pictures. This is just a sample. So, or you just can apply one, but you're frequently doing every pictures every single week or every day, and you just do something like this. I'm gonna open this simple picture, and I just click a play button, and voila, I have watermark. So if you're needing on this, please enjoy this video. Okay, so once we are in Photoshop, we're gonna look for this page that is called Actions. Or this tab. If you don't have visible in your Photoshop software, you can click here on Windows. In this drop down menu, you will can hide or show the actions. Here I just hide it, and if you click again on the shortcut for your keyboard is Alt F9. Okay, so my first step will be I will work with a random file. In this case, what I say, all my pictures are I put in this folder without watermark, and make sure if you're using this process that all your pictures had exactly the same size. So I will choose this one by default, and now I will click here on actions where you say create a new action. So I click here and I can put whatever name I want. I will put watermark tutorial. Okay, and I click on record. This default actions, it will be if I want to have any certain categories for all the actions that I will create for my software. In this case, I will put just by default. So I will click on record. So be careful right now, because whatever action you do right now in the software, it will be record. So the first step to put my watermark, it will be place my logo. So I will click on file, place, and I will search for my logo design. In this case, I have it here, and I can scale to whatever size I want. I will put right here for now, and I will click OK. So once it's there, I'm gonna add a little, put a little clear so I can see through the product in the back. So I will right click here on the layer, and I will choose the option for blending option. Here I will change the opacity to probably 20%, and now to put in the center, I want this to be able to place in the center. So I click here on select where it say all, and here on the tool where it say move, I will have this option. So I will click on this one to center it right here and to center it right here. So I just can click stop in my action. Now everything has been recorded. I have an action called watermark tutorial. So this action, what it's going to do is first place the image. It's gonna set the current layer, align the current layer to the center, and put the size. So if I click play, it should place exactly an image like this just on the top of this. So if I click play, as you can see, there is creating different layers with the same logo. It's putting on the top of this one. So right now, what I'm going to do is pretty quick. I will create the same logo file for all these pictures right here, and I will place in this folder that is say with watermark. Right now it's just empty. So what I have to do, I will close this one. I won't save this for now. So I click here on file and select the option for scripts where you say image processor. So here I have to select the source folder. In this case, I select right here, and I will look for my folder, which will be tutorial watermark, and I want all the files that are inside of the folder without watermark. And here where my image is processed is going to be saved. So I click here on select folder, and I will choose with watermark and this folder that's called JPG. Okay, or I just place here with watermark, because by default it's gonna create a new folder it's called JPG, so it's fine here right now. So I click OK. It's gonna save file type JPG. If I want to resize, in this case, the quality is gonna be 5. If you want to increase, that's up to you. Okay, so what is going to be my reference? I want to run an action. That action is inside default action. Remember that we save in default action. And here I have all my actions saved. In this case, I'm apply the action called Watermark tutorial, and I click on run. So what it's doing right now, the software is processing all this image and it's putting in that folder automatically, so I don't have to do every single picture one by one. Imagine that you have 1,000 pictures. You can do all this process automatically, and you just have to wait. So this is really useful process when you have a lot of pictures to work on, and it's not only working for Watermark. You can do whatever you want with this action tool in Photoshop. So I'm just gonna check my folder right now. Here I'm in tutorial Watermark with Watermark, and as you can see, let me just open a little bit so you can see. As you can see, all the watermark has been applied on the center, same space, same opacity, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Put some comments below if you have any question. I will be more than happy to answer any question. Thank you and see you next time.